Why I joined? Because I want to start something. Initially I was a housewife and I thought I should have something good, some career line where I can balance my both things, family as well as my business. And I thought this is the one of the best thing where I can balance it properly. I can give good time to my family as well as for the business also. Without investment, I can say one of the best business which a female can do very well, because always females are very well management people. We can say घर में सबसे अच्छा वो manage कर सकती है. If same theory she applies in the business, she can do very well. I am grateful to Birla Sun Life because my selection of brand itself is a very good. Once we go to the client and we say we are from the Birla, we definitely get an appointment. So brand itself is a good, plans are good. So it again gave a push up for more business. They are, I think, a backbone. Like a family, we have good support. Same way we have good support from the Birla staff, managers, my team leader Lina Surve. They all give very good support, a homely environment from the company and flexibility in the business, which again and again I will tell is very comfortable for the housewife to manage. So many clients are like that who are the main breadwinner and many people are dependent on them. Maybe parents, children, wife is not working, and when we give them high risk cover, at that time we get satisfaction case we are giving protection umbrella to their family. In case anything will happen, their family will be taken care of. That is the what we always feel. Secondly, when they are planning for their retirement, generally we give retirement solution also. We force sometimes people to do savings. I think that is not for ourselves, but if we educate them to save money, it will be really good for them to have a future lifestyle, good standard of living. They can give something to their children. When we take a education plan, at that time also we feel satisfaction कि चलो उसके बच्चे के लिए हमने कुछ उसको plan करके दिया, and that will definitely, if child is bright, they can make their career. Excellent service. People are demanding good service and they want solutions nowadays. It's not like that giving a one policy or a product. As per their need, if we give them a proper solutions, they definitely bind a contract with you. Means they are ready to take your services and we get a business. And that's the what, once they are satisfied, they are giving a repeated and repeated business. I think that is my achievement. I am getting a continuous business from one client from last 13 years.